Hi, I am ThatPaulGuy, and it's Thursday. Thursday, November 28th, 2019, and it's Thanksgiving Day. So I want to take just a moment to let you know that this video is brought to you by the letter T for turkey and Thanksgiving and tryptophan. Yes, tryptophan. That drowsy feeling you're feeling after eating so much turkey dinner is not because of the tryptophan that's in the turkey. It's because all the turkey and all the dressing and all the stuffing and all the yams and all the everything else you guys ate. So just relax and take it easy and know that that turkey is not trying to poison you. It's just trying to let you enjoy Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope it is a very safe and joyous one, and I hope everybody is really, really having a wonderful Thanksgiving. So I'm going to start you off like I do with every week. Space news. It's been a relatively slow week in space. There's just a couple things to let you know about. First of all, Boeing has matched up the Starliner crew module with the ULA ship, or the rocket that is actually going to take it into its next set of tests. That happened this week, so there's video of that online, and I'll see if I can't remember to put a link on it. And Snoopy made his debut in a spacesuit. Now, Snoopy's been in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade many, many times, but this is the first time he's shown up wearing his astronaut duds, and so that was pretty special in itself. And really, that's all the space news I got this week. So, like I said, been a pretty slow week overall, but hey, that's what it is. It's Thanksgiving week. In tech news, a little bit of sibling rivalry going on. I don't even want to say sibling rivalry. AMD announced several weeks ago that they'd be releasing their Ryzen 9 3950 processor, their CPU, and then Intel had also announced that they were going to release their 10 series CPUs, the next step in their next generation of CPUs. But Intel decided to go ahead and announce the release the same day that AMD had already announced theirs. So that had many people crying foul. But what was even worse is Intel, instead of the standard 6 a.m. lift on the embargo, so reviewers and people like that could go ahead and not only retail or sell it, but the reviewers talk about it and review everything. Intel decided that not only were they going to release everything on the same day as AMD, they were going to bump that back and say as of 12:01 midnight. So a lot of people that were already planning on doing reviews for AMD, I'm just going to have to admit, they kind of shunned Intel and they kind of waved their finger at him, and it's one of those, no, that's not really cool. So I'm not sure what kind of light this puts Intel in. It is sort of, I don't want to say a dirty practice, but it's not really, it's not really trying to play fair. And after all, the 10 series CPUs that they're putting out are pretty much just a refresh of the 9 series GPUs at a cheaper price. So take it for what it will. Take it for what you will. Most of the reviews you're going to see online right now are a lot of the excitement having to do with the Ryzen 9 3950 and of the new Threadripper CPUs, which there is a lot to be excited about. The new platform for the Threadrippers, and they really, really perform outstanding. So you're going to see a lot of that, and a lot of people are, they might be bad mouthing Intel for a little bit. So, and that's kind of understandable there too. So, but anyway, that's really all I got in the way of tech right now, because that's taking up an awful lot of what we're going to call bandwidth, or a lot of attention out there in the media. So anyway, moving right on to gaming. And this is the part where I was going to talk about gaming and being able to find some of your favorite games at great discounts, and I was even going to list a couple. But as it turns out, you can get games like Gears of War 5 or Gears 5, they're calling it, for 50% off from a number of sources, including Microsoft. You can get it from GameStop. You can get it from Steam. You can get the digital copies from Microsoft and Steam for 50% off. A digital copy from GameStop will still cost you the regular price, but the physical copy is half off. So you can get Gears 5. You can also get Call of Duty Modern Warfare from several places for $38. So really, you're probably just going to have to try to look for your favorite game to see if it's discounted, and there's almost a sure bet that it will be. So there's a lot of stuff out there that's been released over the past month or so. I don't really have time, and I'm sure you don't have the time to listen to everything that I would have to list. But there is a ton of games out there, and no matter what you're into, whether it's first-person shooters or adventure or real-time strategy or whatever, I'm sure you'll be able to find something at a great discount for Black Friday and maybe even Cyber Monday. So that's really, I don't know what else to say past that. And there's not a whole lot else going on in gaming. There's not a lot of new releases or anything like that. except for the fact that a lot of stuff is on sale. Still nothing from Google about fixing the problems with Stadia. We'll see how that all works out too, but there's still a lot of people pretty upset with that. And the more people that can get activated, the more they're realizing that there's an awful lot of lag and there's an awful lot of problems to be had with that still. So whether they're going to iron those out or they're just going to chalk it up to bad experience, who knows? But that's where we stand on that one as well. So really, that's pretty much all I got this week. I know it's short and sweet. I apologize for it. But then again, you probably don't want to be listening to me all Thanksgiving evening anyway. You probably want to watch football or be with the fam. So that's where we are. In addition to that, I do want to appreciate and I want to give a shout out. Amy came and visited over the weekend. I dearly appreciated that and had fun. We had a great time hanging out over the weekend. And I got to have Thanksgiving, a little bit early Thanksgiving with my sister and brother-in-law, Lisa and Mark. It was really cool. The reason why we did an early Thanksgiving is because she runs an emergency room and she's a nurse practitioner in an emergency room. So for all you people out there, police, fire department, nursing staff, doctors, all those folks that have to work on Thanksgiving or through these next several days, I just want to extend my appreciation and I'm thankful for there being people like you that are serving, and of course the military as well. I appreciate the fact that there's people out there that are serving so that I can have time like this off, and the people getting to watch this right now hopefully are getting to have and enjoy their time off too. So I'm not going to lie to you and tell you I'm going to put a video out this weekend because I've got no idea if I'm going to be able to or not. I hope to, but I've lied to you the past 2 weeks. So let's see what's going to happen. I dearly hope I can, but we'll have to see what happens. But in the meantime, folks, have a very safe and wonderful Thanksgiving. I'm blessed to be able to do this, and I hope everybody else is having a great time and dearly is enjoying themselves. And that's all I can say is, once again, I'm going to hit you guys up for subscribers. Please, I'm trying to hit 100 by the end of the year, and that'd be very, very helpful for me. You're very welcome to share, like, dislike, leave me any kind of comments, whatever the deal may be, folks. But until probably sometime this weekend, we'll see. And definitely by next Thursday, that's all I got for right now. So I'll see you later.